Hey, what's happening, guys? It's your boy Eduardo Ramon from Remax West and Ramon Realty, and welcome to 31 Tippett Road, the location of my newest listing. Now this place is amazing. 1+1, almost 700 square feet of living space, 2 full baths, and the amenities are world class. Location is great. Across the street from Wilson Station, there's so much more. Check out the unit, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, welcome back. Don't mind me, I was just relaxing by this gorgeous pool because this building has got amazing amenities. So if you want more information, make sure to hit me up on my DMs, give me a call, shoot me an email, because this unit will not last. It's priced great and it's an amazing opportunity. So until next time, we'll see you guys. Ciao.